Yes, this is Android 12 and yes, it's available for many devices right now. We've installed it on Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's available for this device as AOSP based. It's not Pixel based, but it includes the Google apps. And if you want to install it, you can. I'm going to share with you my experiences after installing this build on my Redmi Note 10 Pro. First of all, we are talking about the Android version 12 with the latest 5th of October 2021 security patch. It's the first custom ROM based on Android 12. It's just quite good, by the way. I tried using something which I'm gonna share with you in this video. The thing is, it's actually pure AOSP, no features, nothing else, and it's built from source. So yes, it's not a ported ROM, it's built from source. It's actually quite good. You can see this is Android version 12, and yes, it has all the things which you want in Android 12, but unfortunately this is not Pixel one. It does not include any kind of material theming till now. I tried installing the custom launcher. Here you can see I tried installing the custom launcher, custom icon pack. It is working perfectly fine. The launcher I'm using here right now is the Nova launcher, the latest Nova launcher. I tried if it is working with Android version 12. It is working. Also including that, I've applied the custom icon pack, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Let's just talk about one of the major things in a custom ROM series. I'm using the Magisk version, by the way. This is also one of the things that if your device will be rooted after installing Android 12, if you want to root, it will be rooted or not, it will be rooted. If you want to install this thing and if you want to root your device, you can install the latest Magisk version, Magisk 23.2. If you want to install it, you can. I also tried installing a Magisk module called G Visual Mode. I didn't try that module yet, but I tried installing it. It was working fine, didn't give me any kind of boot loop, so no issues in this. But let me show you the safety net status once, if safety net status is passing for you or not. And the thing is, safety net status in my case unfortunately is not passing for me. Why it is not passing, I'm not sure. Maybe you need safety net fix for that. I am not sure about the safety net fix either, but safety net status has some issues. If you don't root your device, I'm not sure about that, but if you have rooted your device with Magisk, as I always use Magisk on my device with custom ROM, sometimes I need to restore backups, etc. So yes, you need to keep this thing in your mind. Also including that, if you looking for a camera related things, you can see the indicator access dot is already present there, and this camera which I'm using here is the Google Camera 8.3. I made a video yesterday on my Hindi channel that how you can download a proper compatible Google camera for your device. You can check out that app, and you can also check out that Gcam for your device. But I tried using this Gcam, didn't got any kind of major bug. It's just working perfectly fine, maybe more than expectation. And the default camera which you get here, as expectedly, it's a snap cam which you get here, which is kind of no use. I don't think so many of the users use this camera on their devices. All of the users use ANX camera or Gcam. ANX camera, I don't think so it's working on Android 12 for now, but maybe we will get the support very soon. Everything else is same in the terms of settings, UI, etc. I made a video, dedicated video on Android 12 features, etc. so you can check it out. This device or this update does not include any kind of major differences. Everything else is same. These are things I just want to let you know. The bugs, etc. I'll try to list it on my website. Everything else I've already shown you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Installation video link, everything is already in the description. So goodbye, have a nice day, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll get you in the next video soon.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.